How to change Cookie-Run Kingdom email. The first things first is ensure that you're currently running the latest version of Cookie-Run Kingdom for you to check out this kind of feature. Now access your Cookie-Run Kingdom's application and make sure that you're logged into the account in which you would like to change email. So this is going to be your game dashboard. What you want to do is just to locate the three lines at the top right portion of the game screen. And then in here, just simply tap on settings. And then you will be redirected to the game settings in which you gain access to game, notifications, language, and info. Now head out straight to info. And then this is where you can adjust some of your personal settings. So you just have to take note that changing of email address in this game may be depending on the country or region if it is available on your area. So say for example, changing of email address is allowed and eligible for you to be able to change it on your area. That option will actually show up left side of the logged out option here. Simply tap on that and you should be able to change your email address. However, if it's not available, then what you're going to do is just to log out and then just simply create on a different account or log into a different platform, maybe Facebook or Apple email. So that's it. That's how you can change your Cookie-Run Kingdom email.